Hello, this is Dr. Naseeb Lectures. Today I'm going to explain the molecular regulation of genes and the cell signaling pathways. So, this is the first lecture in the general embryology. So, as we know that there are 23,000 genes in human genome. These genes, some are expressed at that time and some are inactivated. Suppose we have two genes, are two chromosome homologous chromosomes, X chromosome in the female. So they have the same chromosome, same genes. So one chromosome is totally inactive, which is called bar body. So these how these genes are inactivated. So this is actually called the regulation of gene. So gene can be expressed in different level or can be inhibited. So the first thing is that genes are inhibited or enhanced at transcription level. At transcription level. And second is if the DNA is methylated, so then the gene can be inhibited or and become inactivated. And third is if the messenger RNA are made and if they are translated into proteins, then it can also be regulated by different mechanisms. The fourth is that the protein which are made by the mRNA that is modified. Suppose it is phosphorylate or on phosphorylation it may be inhibited or may be activated. So if we come to the gene transcription is actually before gene transcription we should know about the chromatin, about the nucleosome, about the linker DNA, etc. So the chromatin is the complex of DNA and protein, which is mostly histone. Histone is like histone A, histone 1A, 1B, different types are there. And nucleosome is usually a bed present on the DNA. So nucleosome is actually there is an octamer of histone protein, and approximately there are 140 base pair of nucleotides of the DNA which are looped around this nucleosome. So linker, what is linker DNA? Linker DNA is actually the DNA which is present between two nucleosomes. So and there is H1 histone is present on these linker DNA. So this is actually the graph which I taken from the Langman micro embryology. In this you can say that there is a histone complex and the DNA is looped around it, and there are these yellow proteins are H1 histones, and this is the linker DNA. You can see from this here, and there is a nucleosome. So this is actually the structure of nucleosome and histone. Now come to the heterochromatin. Heterochromatin is actually inactive state of DNA. This is what that chromatin appear as a bed of nucleosome on a string of DNA and referred as a heterochromatin. If this heterochromatin is uncoiled, mean in uncoiled state, then it is referred as a euchromatin. Actually euchromatin is actually the chromatin that can be translated, can be transcribed. So mean it is mean the genes present on euchromatin that will be transcribed. So exons are what? Exons are actually that the portion of the DNA that can be translated into proteins, introns that cannot be transcribed into the proteins. This is actually a portion of DNA which to which we can say that it is a gene. So in gene there are different regions. Suppose first region is the promoter region, then there is exon 1, intron 1, exon 2, etc. and there is untranslated region and untranslated region. There are different regions like translation, termination, poly addition site, and there is transcription termination site. So if we come to that, that's what's promoter region. Region is the region where RNA polymerase bind for initiation of transcription. What is the function of RNA polymerase? RNA polymerase is actually enzyme that bind RNA primer to initiate the DNA replication or transcription. Okay, and transcription initiation site where transcription can be initiate, where unbinding of DNA will occur. So there are specialized sequence called promoter. Okay, and translation initiation site that is to designate for the amino acid is in the proteins. Okay, and translation termination codon, there are different codons like UAA, UAG, and UJ, which are called stop codons. And fifth is their untranslated region. Okay, untranslated region should be consist of different of those nucleotides that cannot code for any amino acid, so that must be the poly A tail or poly A addition site. So that we know that DNA transcription or DNA replication occur from 5 to 3 end. This is a convention method. Okay, by convention this can occur. So the promoter region must be from 5 to 3 end, and the promoter region there will be a tata sequence, tiamine, thymine, and adenine nucleotides were there, and this is called tata box. This is present on all promoter regions. The polymerase require additional protein called transcription factor. Okay, the there is RNA polymerase. We are going to transcribe mRNA from DNA, so there must be RNA polymerase, and it requires transcription factors. And the transcription factors are actually that was specific DNA binding proteins, and this has two sides, DNA binding domain and trans-activating domain. You will see the function in of these two domain later in this slides. In these slides, so it is what it is for activation or inhibition of the transcription of the gene. Okay, so transcription factor activate gene expression. As we say there, that transcription factors has two sides, so it may activate or inhibit the transcription of the gene. So that what they cause the DNA nucleosome complex to unwind. If there is activator, okay, then release the polymerase so that it can transcribe DNA template. Enhancer are something else. They are regulatory element of the DNA that activate utilization of promoter to control their efficiency and the rate of transcription from the promoter. Okay, so enhancer bind transcription factor. Yes, this is actually the thing is this, that these enhancer what does these do? These enhancer do the function of what, to bind transcription. These enhancer what do, that binds the transcription factors on what side, on activation side. Okay, through the transcription factor trans-activating domain. Okay, and are used to regulate the timing of the gene expression and its self specific location. Suppose here we give the example of pancreas. On pancreas there is islet of Langerhans which produce beta cells which produce insulin. Suppose we are in fat state, so we need insulin in our blood. There is a lot of glucose, is glycemic condition, so we need to form the insulin. Now insulin gene will be activated by what, enhancer. Okay, so enhancer will activate, and that will be transcription of the insulin gene. So this is actually there is hypoglycemic condition, so this gene will be deactivated. Now, for example, separate enhancer in a gene can be used to direct the same gene to be expressed in different tissues. Yes, suppose in eye cell, as we know that 23,000 genes are present in all over the cells. In eye cell we need the rod and cone cells. So rod and cone cells are present in eye cells. So